Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable the option to automatically exit power saving mode in Realme 14 Pro phone and how to disable this auto function. First, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings, we need to scroll down to the battery menu. And then here we have power saving settings menu. And now at the top we have automatically exit power saving mode option. So we have a very short explanation here. Your device will automatically switch from power saving mode to balanced mode when the battery is charged to 90%. We can enable this option using this switch right here. It's a simple on or off switch to turn it on or off. There are no other options nor other hidden menus here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.